Thank you for clicking on this video. We sure do hope you enjoy. Hey Theodore, you have anything else to say?
Hey, this is Levi with Rustic Trail Teardrops, and today I'm going to show you how to put on our new and improved outside table. Instead of having the fold down leg, these are now going to be coming with a fold down bracket. That's how they look. Let's put it on. So basically, it goes on the same way as the tables have been. We're still using the same brackets. So they just clip right into those little pockets there. You want to hold up on the middle of the table while you go over here and you unclip, push down this, pull up on the table while you're pushing against the bracket toward the camper, and it'll click into place. We'll do the same thing over here. And to take it back off, basically you just take in each hand on each side, there's these little trigger points. You're going to squeeze both of them at the same time. Grab your brackets, pull them out of the way, and pull your table off. Now for those who have the old style table, I'm going to have you follow me. I'm going to show you how to set that up. When setting up the old style, there's actually two different styles of this. There's this way that you may recognize for some of the people who have some of the older models, and then there's another way where the brackets are actually on the side and the table leg is in the middle on the front. You want to take and line up those brackets in the exact same way. Hold up on the front of your table. I'm going to pull down on the smaller leg and clip into place. And take it back up. Kind of push down on the table as you push in that button. Pull up on the leg. Go ahead and fold it up if you want to. Pull it out of the brackets. As always, from Rustic Trail Teardrops, we thank you, and we hope you keep watching. There's plenty more videos to come, and we hope you enjoy them.